Another incident that perhaps this one raises several uncomfortable questions for this government, and that is about the torpedoing by a US submarine of the Iranian Navy frigate. Now, some critics argue that India could have done more to prevent this incident because it's happened so close to its maritime borders and to a nation, to a ship, and to the sailors who were really marching on the coast of Vishaka, Vizag, just a couple of days ago. What do you have to say about that?
So इसमें I won't blame the opposition because we are so used to, मतलब हर चीज जो वो करनी है उसको बनाना है कि ये हाय हाय ये क्या कर दिया, छाती पीटना शुरू कर देंगे. What surprised me were a lot of non-left, not pro-BJP, but people I look up to for their opinion and this thing. They got it wrong. A lot of them, I wouldn't name them, but a lot of journalists as well, in their enthusiasm कि यार ये क्या कर रहे हो आप. I don't know why that happened, because the facts completely talk of an opposite picture. Let me give you an analogy. Let's say you invite me to a wedding, not your wedding, a week ago you invited, and I came and I parked my car in your driveway. Fine, everything was fine. There were about 80 guests. And then you were a very gracious host, and I was a guest, and I loved the occasion. And then I went back, I drove back. A week later, which was this morning, I had parked that same car on a public road in Delhi, kilometers away, 30 kilometers away from where your wedding was, and the car got stolen. How the hell is,
How am I responsible?
अब मतलब मैं कहूंगा कि आदित्य ने ये करवाया, आदित्य बोलो इस पे, रिपोर्ट लिखवाओ ये. अच्छा, मैंने आपको फोन भी नहीं किया जब चोरी हुई, ऑब्वियसली 1 हफ्ता हो गया, मैंने पुलिस को फोन किया. So that is exactly the scenario what happened. So they were our guests. There were 3 Iranian warships, but all 3 of them were our guests in this Milan, that was the naval exercise.
Right.
And they were armed, by the way. And TOI reports also say that they were live firing that happened. So it is totally wrong to say that they were unarmed. ये बीच में हमारे लोगों ने चला दिया था कि unarmed थे, निहत्थे पे वार कर दिया, ये सब पूरा का. They were armed. They are traditionally one of the most modern warships from the Iranian Navy, and they carry a lot of surface-to-air missiles, anti-ship missiles, and so many other things, torpedoes. They were armed. They left our shores. 1 हफ्ता हो गया. हमारा जो मैरीटाइम बॉर्डर है उसको छोड़ दिया उन्होंने. हमारा जो EEZ है, इकोनॉमिक जोन है, उसको छोड़ दिया उन्होंने. They were in international waters. अब Indian Ocean is not India's ocean, So, for example, we control only 3.2% of the Indian Ocean total territory. 97.2% or 97.8% is not in our legal control. उस एरिया में ये शिप था. It was hit by not us, by its enemy currently at war. It did not send an SOS to us. How the hell are we responsible? और compare करिए, जो दूसरा उसका sister ship था, that also started sailing. I think Lavan was the name. Yeah, this was Dena, that was Lavan. It sent an emergency request to us. Within 24 hours, we responded. I think February 28th, it sent the request.
And
1st of March, we responded before the Dena got torpedoed, right? And under Indian naval safeguard, it entered Indian waters. We escorted it to Kochi. That is where right now it is docked. 183 crew are absolutely well and safe. Maybe they're playing cricket. I don't know what they're football. That is how we responded. I'm proud of the Indian Navy. तो इसमें हमने कहाँ गलती करी मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
I think the issue that's being raised is that diplomatically we hosted them.
Yes.
And therefore, there is a Mahasagar vision of Prime Minister Modi, where India is supposedly a preferred security partner in the Indian Oceans, or we sort of put ourselves out as a preferred security partner. But an incident like this challenges that very notion of India being the preferred security partner in the Indian Ocean. Does it do that? I mean, I buy your argument about how are we responsible. It happened a week after it happened in international waters. We didn't even get an SOS. And the Iranian ship that did send us an SOS, we went out and helped it within 24 hours. Yes. Completely all right. But in a larger perception-wise thing, there is the Mahasagar vision. Let's talk about that.
Yeah, but as I said, हम कितना भी महासागर कह लें, we control legally only 3% of Indian Ocean. So how are we if anybody said it, maybe said it metaphorically, or जो I know Modi said it, we are guardians of Indian Ocean. यार आप कितना भी guardian बन लो, you will only be legally guardian of 3% of the total Indian Ocean area. So let's be realistic about it. In that 3%, if something had happened and we had not reacted, yes, of course, I would say that this is wrong. But we did. And the fact of the matter is, out here, it's not, ab ya to ab, so for a day it went, they were unarmed. They were armed. TOI की reports खुद कह रही हैं. Naval reviews ये कह रहे हैं, they were armed. There are videos.
Yeah.
Okay, so of them taking part in live exercises. उसके बाद ये चला कि भाई हम गेस्ट थे उनके, ये देखो परेड कर रहे हैं मुंबई के स्ट्रीट पे. तो मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ भाई, एक हफ्ता हो गया, आप कब तक, वो एक पिक्चर नहीं थी अतिथि तुम कब जाओगे?
There is some, there 180 people dead, so we probably should be laughing. But having said that, I understand. I understand.
Till what time would you continue to call them as our guests? So I think a week is a long time. They've exited our waters. So, that's how I look at it. Again, as a layman, but I think let's put the facts on the table.
Right. Let's talk about the Indian Ocean and the fact that you said that we control just 3% of it. And it's the Indian Ocean, not India's ocean.
Yeah.
There has been foreign military presence in the ocean for decades, from Diego Garcia to German bases and etc. Can you explain to our viewers, what exactly are these bases and why so much of the Indian Ocean is occupied by these foreign forces?
So this is, I don't want to talk about colonial past because it goes way beyond that. I mean, of course, the British at one point of time ruled Britannia. They ruled the seas and everything. In fact, there is currently a big controversy going on between America and Britain because America is accusing Britain of selling off, these strategic islands. And I think Diego Garcia is one of them that is under contention. There's another one, I forget the name, Chagos or something.
Chagos.
That's right, So they basically are strategic islands to maintain their hegemony over basically just to display their power. कि आप वहाँ पे Falklands for example. अब कौन कहेगा कि भाई Falkland में अंग्रेज ट्रेडिशनली रहते थे, कुछ नहीं है, जो भी है, अर्जेंटीनियंस भी नहीं रहते, जो भी बात है. But you remember what happened in the 80s. You had Argentina taking over Falklands, and within, I think, a matter of 4 or 5 days, you had the entire British fleet moving towards it and they won that war. Why would Britain go all the way thousands of miles off to Falklands? इसके दो reasons है. A, to display their power. Second thing is, when you control that area between Falklands and the South American continent, that area is also yours. That EEZ is also yours. And they suddenly discovered huge reserves of oil there. वो सब उनका हो गया, So there are multiple reasons why people want to keep that control on these islands. Let's not also forget that what's that string of pearls strategy that China has, trying to wrest Sri Lanka away from our traditional bonhomie with it.
I think Sri Lanka after Hambantota is already halfway through.
For example, you look at, and now there's a big thing about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We want Andaman and Nicobar to be extremely strategic, given China's designs and, what's happening in the East. It takes special significance. So, usme bhi politics shuru ho gaya. For example, Sonia Gandhi wrote recently a very, I don't know, incendiary article that why is India not looking at the environmental interests? यार, अब यहाँ वो करने पेड़ उगाने लग जाते तो कहते यार हमारे डिफेंस का क्या हो गया? So you can't win. The point is, if the opposition is rational and logical, I'll not just stand with them. I'll be the vanguard. But please be that,